How to upload ebooks to Shopify. So hello there and welcome back to another video. So to upload your ebooks to Shopify, you have to head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. From there you have to tap onto this apps option. After tapping onto this apps option, tap onto this Shopify app store. So now you have to search up for the app called software called digital downloads. Just simply search up for it, and then here you can see a lot of one, but I'm going to choose this one. So here you can see uh, this one. Okay, let's skip this one because there is another one which is better than that, this one. So then you have to tap on to install. So after tapping on to install, you have to confirm the installation. So complete your installation from here, and after the completing of your installation, then there you go, tap onto digital downloads, then from tap on to get started. So tap on to get started, and after tapping on to get started, you can customize your shop, and then you have to customize everything from over here. Then you have to add your scripts if you wish to, then you can add rules and everything. Now you can customize it. Tap onto my store and customize it, and from there you can upload your product. Let me show you how you can do it.
Drop down multiple description box, write title.
So to do it, simply go and head over to product sections, go back and head over to your product sections. Let me show you. Like here you can see this product sections, then tap on to create product or add product, and after typing on to add product, you have to enter the title, descriptions of your product, then tap on to upload new and choose your ebook from here. Then you have to open it up, and then you have to enter your price of your ebook, cost per item, profit margin, etc. If you wish to just enter all this information and then save it up, and your product will be uploaded. So this is as simple as that. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye.